Well, so now I'm going to prepare meethi chutney. For meethi chutney, what I need oil, which I have. Then I need mangrel. This is in, you may recognize this. Then I have to add, what is this? No, I don't need this. This also I don't need. And then I need, this is chaff, little bit I will add also, but that is not necessary. This is jeera, yes, this I have to add. This is chili, so that also. Turmeric powder also, tomato also, and this is the which I'm preparing, Imali. Imali, how to say in English? Okay, I will write in description section. The first thing is you have to do all the things at low flame, which I have here, low flame. Now I have to clean because you see it's dirty. Well, no problem. The kitchen we have to clean every day. You clean one day, next day is dirty. Again you clean, next day again dirty. So, 1 spoon I add. Now I have to increase little bit this one. Now 1 spoon of the jeera powder, and this one also little amount. Fantastic. Now I add jeera, little amount jeera also. It's very easy, just one by one you have to add. Okay, then this one also I have to low flame because it's burning. This is also fantastic. Now I have to move this, otherwise okay. Turmeric powder, vivid amount. Oh, I added more. So good. So this is ready. So be careful to do these all the work at low flame, otherwise it will burn. Now it is ready. I have to add salt, which I will add, but now we have to add tomato one by one. Good. Mix it. Okay. Now I need a little bit this. I think it's better to wait this till it is becoming ready. We have to cover this. I just cover this, and good. I think it is ready now. Now we have to pour so It is just for giving the test. Give it test too. Now open and add it here. Now we have to add sugar and salt. Good. So I have the sugar. I'm going to add sugar. Add sugar. Okay. And a little bit salt I have to add. So this is salt, this is salt. I took a small amount. You just add here and then cover it and wait at least for 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes has gone. Let's see what happened. We open this. Well, yeah. Now time to time we can smash. We had to make a mixture. Okay. I'm going to leave 5 minutes more. It's open. Good. It is ready. Yeah, it is ready. Okay. So here you have. Now I have to put in fridge. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Hope you like this recipe. If you have any question, just write in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.